Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix Instagram incorrect password problem on iPhone. If you're getting the incorrect password error on Instagram on your iPhone, try these fixes. Check caps lock. Make sure your password is typed correctly. Okay, make sure to focus while typing the password. Okay, restart your iPhone. You can swipe down through your control center at the top right next to the battery, right? Next to your charger. You're gonna see right here, I'm slowly dragging it, and basically I'm gonna shut down my iPhone and reboot. Basically a simple reboot can refresh the app and try another device. Try using different iPhone or different phone, a web browser, to see if it's an iPhone specific. You can use also your Safari or any other browser on your phone to try to log in. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna reset your password. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Instagram. Okay, and under login, you're gonna see forgot password. Just type it in, and you're gonna enter your email and username, obviously. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna add this email, right? And then hit continue. Okay, and it says we couldn't find it, so that's fine. I'm gonna add, let me add username, OG MRA, and then hit continue, right? And then basically they're gonna send a code via link code or link via WhatsApp, right? If you want to try another way, you can just go ahead and hit try another way and hit continue and follow the link sent or the message or code sent to your phone to reset your password. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna clear cache and reinstall Instagram. So go back to your screen, go ahead and click right here the settings. You're gonna try to pin down general. Go ahead to the general, and then go to the iPhone storage right here. Click and try to pin down Instagram. And as you can see, this is Instagram. Go ahead and click. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna offload the app so I can free some storage, right? Or delete the app and reinstall it once again from your App Store or Google Play. Okay, and try or disable, if that didn't work out, go back and stay on the general. Okay, try to disable the VPN. Scroll a little bit down, you're gonna find right here VPN and device management. Click, and then make sure to click the VPN and try to disconnect it. If you're using VPN or weak Wi-Fi, switch to a cellular data or different network. You can also drag the charger or the battery at the top right here. Drag it slowly to show it here. Make sure to use a different Wi-Fi, right? Let me click the right here, the settings, right? And try to use cellular data instead of Wi-Fi if you have a weak Wi-Fi. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.